Right, hello.
Hello.
Welcome to episode 17, and today's a bit of a different one, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Today, she's going to teach me how to make cheese twists.
I am, yeah.
I ain't got a clue what I'm doing, so I've got to follow your direction, haven't I?
Yes, you have.
I've eaten them many, many, many times, and they're lovely, aren't
And
they?
you really like them.
And they're really, yeah, I know, you ate too many of them, though.
I know.
That's why I'm so fat. Like my new shirt. It's got hummingbirds on it.
Yeah, you're soon going to have cheese down it.
Yeah, it won't fit soon. Right, come, Baz, what are we going to do?
Right, so yeah.
Is it easy?
These only take about 10 minutes. I like making these, especially with the kids coming up to their summer holidays, although some of your kids will already be on summer holidays. And these are a good snack. They're by no stretch of the imagination healthy. But they're nice.
No, that's what's that? It's like butter and whatever, isn't it? That
Puff pastry.
puff pastry, yeah.
So what I've got is just Tesco's ready rolled puff
Can you
pastry.
talk? Can you talk?
I know. I've got two of these. They're £1.25 each. I'm going to get my assistant here to grate me some cheese.
All right, how much?
Just keep grating. It's got to fill that whole side.
It's got a block on that.
No, that's not going to work. So what I'm going to do is...
What is this? What cheese is this? This is mature cheddar.
Waitrose.
Wait, no, stop. If you go back to episode 16, the one before, we were doing essential stuff. And Waitrose Essentials is brilliant.
It is,
Yeah,
yes.
so this is their essential cheese. I'm not sure how much it is, but it's about £3, something like that. So we're going to give it a whirl in this. We've not tried it before. Anyway,
So-
how much cheese do you want? Just keep going.
Just keep going because it's got to fill that whole base. So I'm just going to move this up just so I can roll this out.
Oh shit, the packet split.
Oh, that's shit then. You wouldn't have it.
Language. Look, rubbish.
Yeah, I hate packets like that, don't you? At least you know, like,
Yeah.
you know with Cathedral City, they all seal, don't they? So stay nice and fresh.
Right, ready?
Right, so my advice for this, by the way,
How to grate cheese.
take this out of the fridge about 15 minutes before because it gets a bit stuck trying to roll it out.
Like we didn't.
Like we didn't. Because, yeah, it's really cold and it just gets stuck.
We're cooks now, we're like TV chefs.
Like Jamie Oliver.
Jamie Oliver, naked chef. I ain't taking my clothes off.
Actually, no, I'd rather be like Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay.
He's more
We'll start
like-
having a fucking blind and everything.
Well, he's more our cup of tea, isn't he?
Yeah. Right, here we go.
Right, so I'm rolling this. It
Can't
is
really hold on to this.
sort of grating.
You sure I haven't done too
cheese.
much?
No, keep going. Look, it's got to fill all that. So you might need the whole block.
Let's do, just tip it on.
Well, sort of.
I think that's probably enough.
No, that
There's
won't
loads
be
on
enough.
there.
That won't be enough, Terry. Please.
You will.
No, keep going.
Come on, that's loads.
It's not enough.
That's about a third of a bar.
But it needs to fill the whole thing. Look, don't get cheese on it yet.
Can I put this on now?
No. Well, you just listen. Right, so
I'll keep grating then.
keep grating, please.
Well.
I'm going to crack the egg.
I could have done that.
No, you grate, please. So I'm cracking an egg so I can get some egg wash, which can go over the pastry.
I'm going to cut my fingers off.
I wish you would.
Hang on a minute. That's got to be too much cheese now.
Right, just listen to me, okay? Right, you can stop if you like. Right, so...
Oh, right, thanks. What will we do now then?
So we're just going to
Oh,
just...
that bag.
Not loads, but we're just going to put some egg wash on here.
I could do that bit. I'll do.
Do you want to do that? Right, if you can stop eating the bloody cheese, that would be great.
Right. Like left to right.
Yeah, just all over, but not loads, just a little bit. And then do the same on that side, please.
I've got this one.
Yeah, just get on with it though, all right?
I'll just tip it straight on and mix it around.
Right, that'll do. And now this side, please.
You're a bit bossy, aren't you?
Yeah.
You better check how much cheese I've got.
Well, we're only really going to know once we put it
That
on.
bit's sticking up.
Yeah, I know. It's because I didn't get it out of the fridge, but...
So don't worry about it.
Crack on, crack on. That's it. Not too much though. We don't want it too
You should just
soggy.
tipped it on. Would have been easier.
No, we don't want to tip it on. Right, that's it. Thank you.
No, there's gaps.
Right. So next, all our lovely cheese.
I'll do this bit.
Well, I'll do some, you do some. And we are just going
On
to
that side, yeah.
literally put it on. We've got to make sure all the gaps are filled because you don't want no gappy cheese twists, do we? Do you know what I mean?
Oh, it's too much cheese, surely.
It's not too much
Is this
cheese.
what you've been feeding me?
Yeah, sorry. That's why you're a little bit fat.
Why are you getting so fat? Because you keep feeding me.
I'm saying nothing.
You're joking. Do you know what? You know what I'm going to say here? I think, and I think this applies to you mainly, everybody else as well, you should buy the cheapest cheese possible.
Oh, no, yeah. Do you know what? And you can use Parmesan, you can use Stilton, any cheese
Well, can you
like.
really? Like mix up different cheeses?
Yeah, of course you can. And you can add in herbs, like dried onion, garlic. Make it how you want. It's endless what you can put in
Could
it.
you put things like, I don't know, like fresh stuff, like tomatoes in it or something like that? No, it's got soggy.
No, it goes really soggy with tomatoes. I wouldn't
Have you had this
recommend it. No. That's the top. That's the lid.
Oh, right.
Right, so, God, give me strength, guys.
Why don't you just go like this? This time I've got an idea. Like this, and we'll put it on.
Yeah, because I'm really not the cook, am I?
Is that what we do?
Yes,
Like
but
this,
it
look.
needs to be straight.
Straight. There you go.
Right, let's take that off.
This is really fun. I feel like I'm at school again. Let's go.
Right, let's peel it. There's a good peel there, guys.
No, stop. I've got an idea. Do this first, so it all bonds together.
Right,
Oh, who's the cook?
if that makes you feel better, then you crack on.
Go like that. You get rid of that, I'm cooking now.
No, don't.
Right, and then we get this. Watch, we'll just go. One, two, three.
No.
Like that.
No. Just control yourself, all right? Right, then we need to cut them
Cut it.
into lines, but
Straighten it up.
you need to do proper lines. Not too fat, not too thin. No. It's a cheese twist, not a cheese wedge.
What, that much?
Well, look, a bit like that. Look.
Bit like that. Oh,
yeah.
I've got you. Right.
Right, hold.
No, but I'm right-handed.
But you're holding the wheel. You're holding the wheel all wrong. That's too thick.
What?
Oh, look, that's massive.
That's why I'm doing smaller.
Never put him in charge.
See it, look. This is easy.
Says him who's never made them.
Yeah, but I'm following your instructions. You're a good teacher. We can't.
Right, no, stop.
Put it down.
No,
And we
right.
cut this one in half. Look. Do that moan.
Right, okay, so now all we've got to do, guys, is individually pick them up and twist.
Oh, that's really good.
I know, I'm literally that clever. Twist. Make sure, look, in case you get any gaps, just squeeze them shut so the cheese don't come out.
That's all right.
Or, to be fair, it's quite fun when the cheese comes out because
Can't
it
do
goes
this.
all over it. No, don't do that, please.
It works, like.
Don't do that.
Oh, that's really good. That's quite exciting.
Generally found other things a bit more exciting than cheese twists, but whatever floats your boat.
Oh, shit. That's got fun at the end, look.
Right, yeah, make sure it's closed or the cheese is just gonna, So, so that's it. Just giving them a good little twist. Don't know what he's doing there.
Yeah, we'll go down the edges, look. I've got it.
It's quite therapeutic doing that, actually.
What, twisting?
Yeah, it is.
Twisting the night away. Isn't that a song?
Don't know. I'm not as old as you.
Twisting the night away, oh, twisting.
No.
Twist that one. It's like, is it rock and roll disco? There you go, look. Mine look
Right.
better than yours.
So, yeah.
And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Right, so what we need to do now, we need to slightly, and I mean slightly, egg wash them all on top. That gives them the nice golden crispy colour when they cook.
Let's just dip them straight in there.
And just do them lightly. And I'm going to put the oven on to preheat. If I turn the oven on, that would be great, wouldn't it? Putting the oven on, preheat for 200 degrees. Don't do them really, no, that's too much. No, get off, look. Literally just a light brushing. God, get out my kitchen.
How much to pay for them in the shops? Yeah, like if you buy one in the shop ready made.
Oh, £1.20. Well, that's from Marks, £1.20 each. So if you think how many this makes,
12.
bargain. Because £2.50 for the pastry.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. An egg. Got egg everywhere. Look at you, you're so messy.
Right, so next we've got our baking tray. Put some baking paper down so it doesn't stick. Yeah, we're going to have to do half and half here. And I'm going to cook them for about 15, 20 minutes.
Your ones are going in first. They're not going to come out very well.
Right,
Mine have come
so-
out brilliantly.
These are going to go in the oven now for 15 minutes and then I'll check them.
Isn't this where you do that thing? And here's what I prepared earlier. You meant to come back with a full tray already done.
Yeah, but I'm not that good.
Like Blue Pete used to do things like that, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
Or This Morning. I never used to watch This Morning, though. Look at those. They have come out lovely. And just know that the ones on the top are the ones I twisted. They come out best, didn't they?
Obviously, mine are better at the bottom.
Do you know what? Let me have a go. Look, take it from the bottom because they're colder, aren't they?
Let's try them.
Let's have a go. Ready?
Oh, crunchy.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Really cheesy, obviously.
No.
Lovely.
Oh.
So like, as you see, like even where the cheese has come out, it's all crusted around the side, which is really nice. So
lovely.
obviously we've done them in 2 batches. They took 20 minutes each, and these whole lot, all 12 of them, has cost £4.
Yeah. £4. That's really, really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you knock them up, once they're cooled down, bung them in an airtight container like this, and they will keep for
About 3 to 4 days.
about 3-4 days. I think they're starting to go soft after a while, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
You know what, in our house, they last, what, a day?
If that.
As people pass through, they'll be eating them.
Yep.
So all in all, what did you need? You needed puff pastry, 2
of
packs, 1 egg, half a block of cheese,
Yep.
an oven, and a bit of patience.
And I must admit, so we used that Waitrose Essentials cheese.
Yes.
That was £2.75.
We just checked the price. It was £2.75.
And
It's better than Cathedral City.
I'm going to agree there, it is better than Cathedral City.
Yeah, and so it's a snobby brand, isn't it?
Yeah.
A snobby value brand.
But that, absolutely lovely.
Yeah, they come out really, really nice. So, this is our first cooking instruction video. You've taught me how to make them.
I've taught you. You're now an actual cook.
How many do you think you make? Thousands.
Yeah.
Like every other month, I suppose. But
Yeah.
in the future, we're going to start making a lot more of these things, aren't we?
Yeah, and especially now the kids are going to be on school holidays, we're going to come up with some snack recipes and
Yeah, it's some good ideas, yeah.
great things for the kids.
Yeah. So that's it. And there you go. You can make your own. If you look in the description, I will write all the ingredients and roughly what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah? So you can follow along.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you next time. I'm going to eat my twists.
I'm going to eat mine, and we'll see you again soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.